Is it easier for this generation of, say, Telugu actors, say like you, Vijay Deverakonda, to break into that? Because it is a lot of film families in Telugu film industry. So how tough is it now?
आई थिंक आई फील लाइक यार ऑनेस्टली इंडिया में अब गांव में जाओ तो डॉक्टर का बेटा डॉक्टर ही बनता है, किसान का बेटा किसान बनता है. सो आई थिंक वी आर नेपो कंट्री.
Of course. Yeah.
But audiences don't care, no. They only care that you do something amazing, and if you can do something that other people are not, then they're interested. And I think now more than ever before, it's a very democratic time. And my luck is I earned the respect of a lot of film people early on in my career. तो पहले दिन से मतलब आप जिन फैमिलीज की बात करें उनमें से बहुत सारे फैमिलीज ने मुझे सपोर्ट किया है. लाइक महेश बाबू सर प्रोड्यूस्ड मेजर. Dakyat is being presented by Annapurna Studios. My friend and my favorite actor Nani produced Hit the Second Kiss. So I've always had the support rather than. So I think it's a matter of earning respect more than anything.
Yeah. You're still developing projects, but I think you've stopped directing after Kiss. Why was that?
क्योंकि मुझे डायरेक्शन आती नहीं. I think that's the problem. I realize कि मैं एक बहुत ही इमोशनल इंसान हूँ. Just because I'm feeling something doesn't necessarily mean कि वो ऑडियंस को ट्रांसलेट हो रहा है. See, ऑडियंस को ट्रांसलेट होने के लिए डायरेक्टर शुड नॉट बी फीलिंग इट. ही शुड बी थिंकिंग मैं ऑडियंस को ये फील कैसे कराऊँ. सो आई रियलाइज्ड आई एम एन एक्टर राइटर रियली, क्योंकि मैं फील करता हूँ. मैं सेट पे उस इमोशन में चला जाता हूँ. मैं डायरेक्टर को उस इमोशन में जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. द डायरेक्टर नीड्स टू फिगर आउट हाउ दैट इमोशन शुड बी ट्रांसलेटेड ऑन टू द स्क्रीन. सो सोच का काम ज़्यादा है. आई फील लाइक मैं दिल से थोड़ा.
Well, I read a very interesting thing you said, which was much before you stopped directing, which is that acting is one eye and directing is another for me.
जी.
So, which is what got me thinking कि वो एक आँख फिर बंद कैसे हो गई? That.
I would say acting and writing really for me. If I ever do direct, it would have to be a very particular personal story जो मुझे लगता है कि यार मैं नहीं चाहूँगा कि कोई और किसी और का विजन इस पे, you know. But my first love was always acting. Yeah.
So whether it's Dacoit or G2, they're all like being positioned as pan-India films. Do you think that that approach also happened after the success of Major, because it broke, like it cut across markets and was received well everywhere, particularly in the Hindi markets as well, because it was such a Mumbai story also.
I think Major was. Major didn't cause me to do that. Major, I decided to do that, and that's why I was able to position Major that way. वरना मैं Major को सिर्फ तेलुगु में बनाता. But I think one thing I'm doing differently, Major and Dakyat have one thing in common. हम हर सीन, हर शब्द, हर डायलॉग, उसका ट्रीटमेंट जो है तेलुगु में अलग, हिंदी में अलग. सो वी मेक टू सेपरेट फिल्म्स. हम डब नहीं कर रहे हैं. सो दैट्स अ वेरी बिग डिफरेंस. टेक फॉर एग्जांपल इन मेजर the scene where Major Sandeep Unnikrishnan sir comes out of the hotel and screams at the media. In Telugu, हमारे पास ये कनंड्रम था कि यार अब NSG का ऑफिसर मुंबई में मीडिया से तेलुगु में क्यों बात करेगा.
True.
खासकर ये रियल स्टोरी है. So we said we had him speak to somebody in English first, someone in Hindi first. Then suddenly when Telugu media, regional media आके कुछ पूछने लगे तो उनसे तेलुगु में बात करने लगे. So it's a very seamless thing. हिंदी में the English and Hindi ones are English and Telugu ones are cut out. We directly have somebody approaching in Hindi because in Mumbai they would speak Hindi. So even the treatment and how we do it is very different. So I think I am doing something जो बाकी सब नहीं कर रहे. It's not just a dub. It's a very different look and different sensibilities के हिसाब से, even lyrics, everything, the approach is very different.